Hello friends, today I am going to draw Michael Jackson portrait and today we will celebrate Michael Jackson's birthday. So I so I took a drawing challenge today. This drawing challenge name is Finger Dancing Mood Drawing Challenge. So let's get started now. And please subscribe to the channel before start the drawing and press the bell icon for get notifications and get daily drawing tutorial videos. So friends, let's get started now. Hello friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoy this video, please like, comments and subscribe and press the bell icon for get notifications and get daily drawing tutorial videos. Bye bye.